Hi, today we see how to integrate JPA in Spring Boot application. For that, we need two dependency for JPA, which is help to integrate MySQL database in a Spring Boot application. So second one is MySQL connector dependency. So here two dependency need to add in pom.xml and in its application door properties data source URL is credential username and password. That's it. And here need to specify database name. So which database name we have. So I'm already configure. This is localhost database name and pom.xml need to dependency. Okay. And pom.xml JPA and MySQL connector. Now we can see it is runnable or not. So it's successfully built and now we can run this application. Yeah, that's it. It is run in this port 8000. So we are successfully integrate JPA in a Spring Boot application. So once we see in application.properties need to add database name here, spring.data source URL username password in MySQL driver and pom.xml JPA data JPA dependency and MySQL connector. So that's it. Now successfully integrated JPA in a Spring Boot application. So that's it.